Okay, this is for Thursday from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. and it's for a heat index up to 109. This does include DFW, so it does include Dallas, Tarrant County, but it also includes Hood County, Johnson, Ellis, Navarro, Henderson County, north across the Red River. This is for a heat index up to 109. It doesn't mean everyone gets there, but I do think a lot of locations will at least be close to 105 up to 109 in some of the extreme locations. Actual high temperature will be about 98 degrees in Dallas, 99 for Fort Worth, and in Denton, 98 in McKinney. The triple digits from Mineral Wells, Graham, Archer City will be possible. Normal for this time of the year is 97, so we're not too far off from that in DFW, but the heat index, the humidity, or the feels like temperature, that's why the heat advisory is in place. It'll feel like 105 in Dallas and in McKinney, 108 in Denton, 106 in Fort Worth, as well as in Decatur. And the UV index tomorrow will also be high by about 10 or 11. That UV index in the morning, I should say, the UV index will be at a high, but it will be very high at some points in the early afternoon. And this will really last through about 4 or 5 in the afternoon as well. So be sure to wear the SPF if you are spending a lot of time outside. And like I mentioned, high temperatures, they're not too far off from what's normal for early August. Normal is 97. We'll be at 98 Thursday, 99 Friday, and still the upper 90s for Saturday, Sunday, mid 90s for early next week. Factor in the humidity. It'll feel like the triple digits on any given afternoon. Don't be surprised if the heat advisory from Thursday gets extended to include Friday as well, just because the heat index will be pretty similar of at least 105 or higher. And it's because of this, the heat dome. Right now, the heat dome is centered over West Texas, which is why we're not seeing the triple digits. However, it is big enough to where it does influence our weather pattern, which is why we're staying rain-free. So that's why we stay rain-free through Friday. We'll see a little more cloud cover over the weekend, but what I'm noticing with some of our patterns is that the ridge or the heat dome does scoot off towards the west, and it does allow for the potential of us seeing the afternoon shower or thunderstorm, and that will be middle part of next week. Until then, we're staying rain-free. A quick update on the tropics. We still have tropical storm Dexter. Dexter moving off to the northeast into the northern Atlantic, so no impacts to land, but 2 other areas of interest. The one that's closer to the U.S., that one has a 30% chance of development. So on the lower side, that actually has lowered. There's still a really unorganized form of showers and thunderstorms. Some models do have it transitioning into an area of low pressure, but the chance of that happening is really low. There's a slightly better opportunity for development in the middle of the Atlantic over the next 7 days at 60%. The next name on the list, by the way, is Aaron. Tonight, temperature drops to 77, warm, humid. Tomorrow, a high near 98, and we're looking at the upper 90s really through the weekend. And then early next week, we could see a 96-degree day, and that kind of carries on through the middle part of the week. Again, some really slim rain chances middle part of next week. Until then, Stacia, we're looking kind of hot.